Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best color buckets for parties, the Patelai 6 PCs Ice Buckets Bulk Set. Whether you're hosting a lively gathering, a casual get-together, or a formal event, these vibrant and practical ice buckets are designed to keep your drinks chilled and your party stylish. Right out of the box, the Patelai set stands out with 6 colorful plastic ice buckets, each in a different bright hue: red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, and green. This variety of colors not only adds a splash of fun to any occasion but also allows you to coordinate or mix and match based on your party theme or personal preference. Each bucket is made from quality plastic, chosen for its durability and heat insulation properties. This means your ice stays intact longer without melting quickly, keeping your beverages cold throughout the event. The plastic construction also makes these buckets lightweight and easy to handle, yet strong enough for repeated use. The buckets have an oval shape with a smart design that features high sides and a lower middle area. This shape helps prevent ice cubes and bottles from slipping out, while still making it easy to reach in and grab your drink. Additionally, each bucket has 2 sturdy handles on either side, making them easy to carry even when filled with ice and bottles. The handles are thoughtfully designed to keep your hands from freezing, adding to your comfort and convenience. Measuring approximately 12 by 9.4 by 5.5 inches, each bucket offers a generous 4.5-liter capacity. This size is perfect for holding multiple bottles of wine, beer, champagne, or other beverages, ensuring your guests have plenty of chilled options to enjoy. The buckets also double as great storage tubs, useful beyond parties for organizing small household items. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward thanks to the plastic material. These buckets are easy to wash by hand or with mild detergent, making them ready to use again in no time. Their reusable nature also means you're investing in a product that supports many future celebrations. Overall, the Patelai 6 PCs Ice Buckets Bulk Set combines vibrant color, practical design, and reliable performance. Whether for a casual backyard barbecue, a sophisticated wine tasting, or a lively party with friends, these ice buckets keep your beverages cool and your setup colorful and organized. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest and thorough product reviews.